Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you what a JUTC bus driver did. Now look at this JUTC bus on the left. It's the driver just drove up. Now he's going to park the bus in the road. You see how the cars have to go around the bus? And then look at this. You see how dangerous that is where those two cars are? Now why couldn't the JUTC driver park the bus to the right on the dirt patch? That is where they usually park them. I mean, this is just unbelievable. Now guess why he parked the bus there? He parked the bus there so that he could walk down to the bus straight ahead, talk with the driver, and then get back in the bus and then go and double park beside the bus that is straight ahead. It is truly unbelievable. Some things you have to see to believe. There he is, walking out of the bus. Look at where he parked the bus, in the middle of the road at a corner. He's walking to talk to the driver in the other bus. I mean, how hard would it have been to park the bus on the dirt road so you don't interfere with the traffic? Guys, what do you think? Tell me what you think about this. Leave your comments in the section below. There he is, having a conversation where all these cars have to be going around the bus. If it was a wider street, I could understand. But what I don't understand is why couldn't he just park the bus to the side on the dirt road where he doesn't interfere with the traffic? Now he's walking back to his bus. I mean, the other bus on the other side is parked in the road as well. I have no idea what the policy is for parking these JUTC buses, but at least that other bus there's not much traffic coming from that side. Now he's walking back to his bus. And now he's going to drive and double park beside the bus on the road. I guess we should be grateful that he didn't drive all the way down to the other bus. And okay, we're going to look at this again and then we'll show you where he double parked. This is just unbelievable. Some things you have to just see to believe. I want to ask a question. Can the police issue tickets to JUTC buses? So when a bus is parked like this, if a normal bus, a coaster bus or a taxi did this, they would get a ticket. But can the police give JUTC drivers tickets? Because JUTC is owned by the government, so that basically they'll be giving themselves a ticket. I don't know. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. We're going to look at this again, and then you're going to see the driver go and double park beside the other bus. I mean, maybe they have a different road code from the rest of drivers in Jamaica. I don't know. You know, like some cars have government license plates, diplomatic license plates. Maybe the JUTC have a different kind of license where they can park anywhere and practically do anything. But the part that I don't get is how hard? Look at how much space there is on the right. There is a bus parked on the dirt patch, not interfering with traffic. Why couldn't this driver just park over there? Why is it so important for him to block the road? Guys, leave your comments in the section below. And you've seen how many cars have to go around this bus. I don't know if anybody from the JUTC watches this channel, but if you know anybody who is associated with JUTC, send them this video. I would love to know what their policy is and how and where you park these buses. Now he's getting back into the bus, and then look at what he does again. He's going to put double park in the road. I don't get it. Okay, now he's moving the bus. And look at where he's going to park the bus now. And this is one of the new CNG buses. The hundreds of millions, the billions of dollars that the government spent to bring in these buses. And look at how they're driving them. Now he's parked in the road again. Again. Double parked in the road. I mean, I don't get it. I just don't get it. Guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day.